Hello guys, this is me and Kanayas. Today I'm gonna show you how to get Cladu Fable 5 for free. Okay, I'm in my mom's website. I'm in my mom's account and now search V0, not this, V0, which is parcel. And here press it and then wait. My internet is a bit slow, so that's why it might take long. Oh, and log in. And when you come, then log in. Press it, but automatically I logged in. But if you need to log in, then you will have two options like signing in with Google or signing up, or signing up with Apple. And now I'm here. See, we can get these cool models. ChatGPT is 5.6 as well, and Fable 5. And here is your credit settings. Well, you'll get 10 credits, but I already lose them to 3. So it was a short tutorial. So bye guys, see you later, bye.